Hello guys, in this lecture we will see before starting the React we need two softwares, Sublime Text and Node.js. Let's go to your favorite browser and install both of these softwares in your PC. Okay, I'm going to search Sublime Text and in another tab I'm going to search Node.js. So this is the Node.js and Sublime Text. Both of these softwares are required. Okay, I'm going to click on download and Windows 64-bit, which is also a portable version. So I'm going to set its location to desktop, so it will be download on the desktop side. Okay, so it will be download within a while. After downloading we will install Sublime Text and also Node.js in our operating system. Okay, this has been installed. Okay, this has installed. Okay, sorry, download, it just has download. Okay, just download. So now we will go into the Node.js, download and download it for Windows operating system. Yes, operating system, and yes, so both of these files will be downloaded on desktop. Okay, because we have set the location, the destination folder to desktop. So Node.js and Sublime Text, both of these files will be downloaded on the desktop. After that we will install both of these softwares in our operating system because we need both of them to start a React project. Okay, right, clear, it's clear. Okay, after now it has downloaded, let's see our desktop. So both of these softwares should be on our desktop. So double click on Sublime and install it. Okay, next, yes, next, install, yes. In this way you can easily install the Sublime Text Editor and going to Node.js, install, next, agreement, next, and next, install. So in this way the Node.js installed. Now let after installation is completed, let's set up the Sublime Text Editor. So you can find it in the S, or you can search it, Sublime Text Editor. Click on it and it will it may be update or download. You can update your Sublime Text Editor according to its instructions. Okay, let me update it. Okay, it has updated. Let me close this window again and again start. So this is the our text editor where we will write our programming code. Okay, where we will write our programming code. In the next lecture we will see how we will create our first React project and how we will deal with the React.js. Okay, goodbye.